Air in a warehouse with open bay doors is typically replaced 2 to 4 times an hour. This is why all that money spent on AC cooling literally flies out the door. Cooling a 100,000 square foot warehouse with AC can cost up to $200,000 or $2 per square foot. A Power Breezer will cool your team for less than $5,000 in operating costs. All this is before product and installation costs, which typically run at $10 to $20 a square foot for AC, but only 65 cents for Power Breezer. Power Breezer cools the people, not the space. Unlike AC, which cools the space, Power Breezer line of sight cooling projects a stream of cooled air to where it is needed most. Power Breezer makes people in the stream feel cooler, and you never need to replace filters, pads, or other disposables. It is virtually maintenance-free. If you already have AC installed, add Power Breezers for hot spots, gain productivity, and cut your electric bill. If you are thinking about adding AC, stop. Save 95% of installation cost and 99% on your electric bills by starting with Power Breezer, cooling people where they are rather than cooling the entire warehouse. You can always add AC later and be assured your Power Breezer investment will become practically free by reducing the required strength of AC. Advance your corporate sustainability goals. Power Breezers not only cool where no one else can, but are also green, efficient, and sustainable.